Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel Guru Classes. In this channel I will be teaching subjects maths from standard 8 to 10 and 11th and 12th, science for standard 8 to 10, social science for standard 10, physical chemistry for standard 11th and 12th, and physics for standard 11th and 12th. My intro is as follows. My name is Gaurav Kumar. I am BTech graduate in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering. My current city is New Delhi, and currently I am taking online classes and preparing for government examinations. Look students, this class is specially for the students who want to build their base and score good mark in examination. Also, students who are unable to go to tuition or some classes, this class is dedicated to them. The lessons of the class might be lengthy as I will be covering all the topics from all the chapters with question and revision. So hope you will subscribe the channel and will share as much as possible. Thank you.